My name's Alan Hart, and today we're going to look at a ground source heat pump. I've just got the technician here, and he's going to tell us all about it.
Hi, I'm Ian from Stiebel Eltron, and this is the WPEI 15. Inside the machine we've got an expansion vessel for the heating and an expansion vessel for the brine. Underneath there we've got the compressor, the pump for the brine, and further down a pump for buffer loading. Up here we've got our multifunction set, which contains booster heaters, a cut-off for the booster heaters, a blow-off for the heating, an air vent and a diverter valve.
So that diverter valve, what does that do?
That sends the water either around the buffer or around the coil in the hot water cylinder.
Right, okay.
Up here we've got the brine filling set. It contains a filter, shut-off valves, blow-off, air vent and a pressure gauge.
So this is coming from outside then now?
So that's coming from outside to the ground.
So what temperature, which way is this going then now?
So we've got about 3 degrees coming in and about -2 going back out to the borehole.
So there's a 5-degree difference.
It's about between 3 and 5 degree.
Wow, so that's amazing that it can still get heat from that, isn't it?
Yeah, and that's got glycol in it, which is protecting the system down to about -15.
Right, okay.
Moving further around, we've got a pump set, which contains temperature gauges on the flow and the return, pump and a shut-off valve. Below that, we've got a buffer, which is what's supplying the underfloor heating of the property. And then here, we've got a hot water cylinder for doing the hot water.
Right, okay, what's that white thing over there then?
That's the expansion vessel for the
hot water.
Yeah.
So why would we have a ground source heat pump?
A ground source heat pump's a great solution for a rural property like this. Instead of having to use oil or LPG, it's an efficient way of heating a large property.
What sort of running costs would you expect compared to like oil and stuff? Is there a massive difference?
There is a ground source set up correctly will run significantly cheaper than an oil boiler.
And why not have an air source heat pump?
Mainly because of a large property like this, you need a higher output.
And is this, so this would be like a constant temperature throughout the year because it's coming from ground?
Yeah, and a ground source heat pump will be slightly more efficient than air source because the temperatures from the ground are more stable.
So we wouldn't have these issues like with snow and things like that, like we could have with an air source?
No, because you're using just a constant temperature from the ground and not a fluctuating outside temperature.
That was good, wasn't it? It's just tripped electrics on us. So with this ground source heat pump, it goes down 120 metres and there's 3 boreholes. This is with Gecko Renewables, Jamie, my name's James. Jamie. If you've got any questions on ground source heat pumps, just put some comments below.